inkunda kahle lento kodwa niyabona ama team ayabasayinela abaqeqeshi abadlali, and that's actually necessary. Before we get into that, asiqale sibulale lenkulumo leyo ukuthi lento yenziwa uBobby kuphela. Hayi uBobby bayabasayinela abadlali, hayi abo Floyd Impela, abo Screamer Shabalala bayabasayinela abaqeqeshi abadlali. It happens in all the teams actually in the world, including iMamelodi Sundowns. Asiqale sizwe umqeqeshi uManqoba Mngqithi esho ukuthi the only player that he actually requested iSundowns emsayinela waphusha futhi imsayinele was Ikram Reyners.
The only player that I personally requested from the club was Ikram. That one is the player that I personally requested and pushed. Fortunately, I got the support of a lot of people within the club, and that's why it happened, and I appreciate that.
So if there's a person like at the Salles,
even Rolane Mukwena actually mentions that he requested the club to sign Utsakofasa Mabaso for him while he was still at Swallows, but the club couldn't fulfill his wishes.
But were you given the latitude to do your work and to sign the players that you wanted to sign?
So difficult to answer that question. You know, I was supported. I must say I was supported, yes. And the club was good to me throughout. And of course, sometimes like in January, everybody knows because I spoke it in the press conferences and I was saying, hey, we've got a crisis a little bit, you know, with the strikers, you know, and we're looking for a striker. And everybody knows which striker I wanted, you know, and he went on to finish as top goal scorer. But that's football. That's how.
Now that we're on the same page, ake ngichaze ukuthi kubaluleke ngani ama club esayinele o coach abadlali. Into yokuqala khona ubobuka ukuthi i club has to have an identity, a certain way of playing. For instance, a team like Orlando Pirates, wing play is very important. The Pirates without ama wingers nje ngeke ze understand. So ngeke ungitshela ukuthi uzoqasha ucoach ongezukwadlalisa ama wingers. Right now iPirates njengabantu abanjengo Kamokhelo Sibelebele, Tshepang Moremi, Ozwina Police, Relebogile Mfokeng, even before the best player win ama award uMonapule Saleng. Before Saleng there was Uloch who can play as a 10 and as a winger as well. Bekunabo Vincent Pule. Ngahlehla ubuyela kubo Dane Clayton, oXhosa Kholela, oDigang Mabalane, oDukuduku Makhanya, oGiftile Rame, oSteve Lekwele, Steve udalingwe crowd. Even before Joseph Ngake, uhlehla ubuyele ko Helman Mkhalele. Pirates has to have wingers and have to be quick and creative. Speed and creativity is very important. I'm a dribbling wizard. Pirates dlala kanjalo nje. Ndlela iPirates adlala ngayo leyo. So i-team mangabe iqasha ucoach, mele iqashe ucoach that has a Pirates ethos, ucoach who knows how to play the Pirates way. Whether that person comes from Spain or Morocco noma ungabe uqhamuka kulo muntu lowo, as much as ezodlala ngendlela yakhe phela you can tweak it a little bit yabo here and there. Kubalekile lokuthi nawe phela ufaka u-add flavor yakho as a coach, but the identity of the club must remain intact. That's very important yabo. Fanele ibambane ihambe kanje. Best player Sundowns hlale sesiswini, whether it's Tebogo Mokoena, Marcelo Ayende or Roger Fetumba or Teko Mdise or Themba Zwane, iSundowns idlala ibhola la midfield. iKaizer Chiefs nangiyazi even iMadabi mayizoqeda iPirates iqeda ngekhanda nje. O David Khadebe babekora ngekhanda even before sakhula bo Paul Ndlanya, you look at abadlali mhlawumbe abanjengabo uDavid Obuwa, abo Def Mashamaiti thole set piece ephambili ikora ngekhanda, ubuka abadlali abanjengabo Castro bakora ngekhanda esikhathini ngeMadabi, abo Nukovic. Siyazi Chiefs uthi na team esebenzisa abadlali abakwazi ukuheada futhi abadlali abapragmatic makufanele kudefend ukuyadefend kuphela kanjalo. Even ama strikers eKaizer Chiefs they importer even before ngakalibuke nebhola bekunabo Mike Maringa, abo Lokhuza bo Wetsin Nyirenda. They usually import a striker from Zambia nako Lokhuza nako Zimbabwe. One of their best strikers usuka kwa Ramagole amaningi kwaku Collins Besuma, kwafika nakenge yabo Msona, kuhamba kwafika igenge mhlambe uthola manje ke abasakhona ukwenza cause Chiefs ine crisis yawo, but bazamile ngabo Kambule, abo Bhimi Minyama, abo Sayile, nangabo Silver manje it doesn't seem to be working out. Sebela lo Igodaro now. I-striker se-Chiefs siyasazi isikhathi ningi sijwayele ukuthi siqhamuke kube i-striker sangaphandle, siyakwazi lokho. Pirates as much as ine defender comfortable ebholeni fanele be defender strong. Mbekeze Limbokazi izwa nje ibona ukuthi uyayibona esemakhaya, siyabonga Sangweni izwa ibona ukuthi insimbi. You need a Lucas Twala type of defender, you know. You need Gerard Rapahlela, Mgaba Rapahlela, you need a Bernard Shoes Lushos. So ucoach unga-add iflavor yakho. Umkwena uRolani Mkwena engayilandela uLotsho wakhe ngoba uyamthanda vele ukwasebenza naye, engayilandela uBonganzungu wakhe because umdlalo wakhe amkhonzile, but masucela kakhulu usucela noma basa bazokutshela ukuthi no yima manje ngathi usucele kakhulu. UMazinyo engayilandela uNukovic wakhe lapha amlanda khona, but uhlobo lomdlalo weChiefs futhi uNukovic uyambona nawe, but ungayicelela nawe 1 or 2 players, that's fine, but 90% or 95% of the players has to come from the club because asifuna ucreatela ucoach olandelayo inkinga yokuthi engakhona ukusebenzisa labadlali. Ngeke you can't move from a 4-4-2 coach to a 4-3-3 coach or a 3-5-2 coach or ucoach odlala 4-2-3-1 noma any other formation engafithi kulento le team. Ungayi-add nayo iflavor yakho. iBarcelona always play on the front foot. I don't care ukuthi uMazinyo useyiwine kangaki neKaizer Chiefs or uHunt useyiwine kangaki ileague kwihistory yakhe, he will never coach Sundowns. Ngeke uHunt coach Sundowns, ngeke imqashi ngale bhola lakhe. Ngeke uLokhuzana uStuart Baxter nshanga win ileague ngeke ayicoach Sundowns ngale bhola lakhe adlalayo. Yabo lokhu organize defense eqala ngeke utshela uMkwente bayopaka ibhasi kuSundowns, and Sundowns ngeke imsayini umdlali ongesilo uhlobo lo Tiko Mdise nabo Themba Zwane ozokwenza into la esiswini yabo. Yeah, so i-team kubalekile ukuba ne-sporting director to ensure ukuthi from ama-youth ranks the development structures kudlalwa ngendlela efanayo, so that mawupromotha uRally Mfukeng abe lohlobo lwe-wing, mawupromotha uNkotha abe lohlobo lwe-wing olufunekayo yabo ngaso sonke isikhathi. So i-team ine-identity ne-culture yayo, but engasho uma ifika uwadi ukuthi nginomfana lapho kuthiwa Masindi Nemtajela engimthandayo engisuka naye kwiGalantsi ngoba ngiza lapho ngicela nimthathe naye, please rope him in, then we can bring him on board because we believe ukuthi ucoach naye ufuna uku-add eyakhe iflavor nesakhe spice yabo, but ucishe kufane yabo. That's why it makes sense for iBayern neBarcelona neLokhuzana neMan City ukuthi beshare coach. Umuntu odlala iMan City njengo Vincent Kompany can go and coach iLokhuza iBayern Munich, add na flavor yakhe, but it's not it's not too dissimilar to what he was exposed to Women's City. That's why Hansi Flick can move from Bayern to Barcelona. So in Barcelona we have a system which is a club legend, whether it's Pep Guardiola, Tito Villanova, Luis Enrique, Xavi, Ronald Koeman, but I'm told we can take someone from Bayern because kucishe kufane ngaleyo ndlela leyo. So ucoach ikwazi ukusebenzisa abadlali abafice leyo team leyo, and the team ngasonke isikhathi I ensure ukuthi as much as ucoach bengafani but ayithathe ukuthi akucishe kufane. Yayibona into ishoyo ku-Real Madrid ngeke uPep Guardiola icoach Real Madrid because une system yakhe akholelwa kuyi 4-3-3 keeping possession of the ball, but masebemthengela abadlali angabafuni ke. That's why ku-Real Madrid they'll always sign a tactically flexible coach. That actually makes sense because ku-Real Madrid they can sign Mbappe no Vinicius bedlala iposition e1. Sekukuwena ukuthi you must make it work because basayina ama-superstars from across the world. They want superstars. Abafana abahle, you must be good looking, you must be a superstar. Ukwazi udlala ibhola, ukwazi ukwenza yonke into. So that's why Mbappe now plays as a number 9 ku Real Madrid. That's why Real Madrid at some point they had to Di Maria or winger, they had to Bale or winger, they had to Ronaldo esadlala say wing, but they had to ask Di Maria now to adapt to a new position, udlala as a number 10 in midfield behind the strikers, and it actually worked, you know. That's why ku Madrid bazokufuqa ngoZidane noFigo ukuthi badlala iposition eyodwa. Wena as a coach you need to find a way to make it work. You need to make a plan as a coach. Ungakanani nongatshela uFlorentino Perez ukuthi akaxoshi team yonke ngenxa ukuthi abafiti kwiphilosophy yakho ubufunani kanti ubu-applyelana ijob ye-team enabadlali abangafithi kwi-system yakho. Why did you apply for the job in the first place? So as a coach kubalekile ukuthi nawe uapplyele umsebenzi obona ukuthi uzowukhona. That's why uZidane wa eMadrid we understand ukuthi you need to be tactically flexible. At some point he played with Isco as a number 10. Uyakhumbula wadlala iDiamond 4-4-2 kwayena. Wathi uRonaldo akamshintshe be-striker beno Bale bedlala phambili. Then uIsco must play behind them with i-triangle kodwa isekhona la so that izoba iDiamond wasofaka nawo uIsco kwaba uCasemiro at the base, and then there's Modric noLokhuzana noToni Kroos ngala. Bedlala as half-spaced midfielders. So you need to make a plan, find a way to make it work. Mangabu Madrid. They will sign ama-superstars. Mhlaba wonke jikelele khululeka. Babebona uJames Rodriguez World Cup ekora goal of the tournament umfana omncane omuhle who brings so much commercial value into the club. Bazomsign uthi khona udlala iposition yakhe bazomsign. I-culture eMadrid ukuthi sizodlalisa ey'tazi izodwa. Wena as a coach make a plan. KwiBarcelona kule system yabo ukuthi okay Magugu Xavi asiyibuke thina kuqala ukuthi sishodaphi. Okay, let's go and get a player odlala ibhola elithanda besimila. Okay, let's go get Rakitic. Mawuthi Rakitic uyakhula benabo Iniesta. Okay, let's look at the development because develop abadlali ngendlela bedlala kanje. Let's get a Gavi to play that Rakitic position. Let's get a Pedro to play the Iniesta position. Let's get Yamal to play position kaMessi kodwa ngeke akekho ucoach ongafika ethi akabafuna oYamali benoGavi abashintshe bonke hayi ngeke sanokudlala coach bafethu to sum it all up nje coach abasayinelwe and ama club afuna coach abazokhona ukusebenzisa abadlali and then coach can request 1 or 2 players otherwise i-business model yokuthi ucoach engafika zenzele into yonke axoshe bonke abadlali abawu10 afaka bakhe it's not sustainable. How much should you pay in compensation for terminating ama contracts abadlali? Ngeke uyabo it's ayikho realistic leyo nto leyo. So to ensure ukuthi there is continuity eclubini coach abasayinelwe abadlali